Understanding a taste of heaven in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, a taste of heaven. This expression is not just about flavor or food, but it carries a deeper meaning in the English language. So, let's dive in and find out what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it in your daily conversations. A taste of heaven is an idiomatic expression used to describe an experience or feeling that is wonderfully delightful. It's often used to refer to something that is so pleasurable that it seems almost divine or heavenly. The key components of this phrase are taste, which implies a sample or small experience, and heaven, which is often associated with utmost joy or bliss. In food and drink, this chocolate cake is a taste of heaven. The first sip of this coffee gives you a taste of heaven. In experiences, listening to her sing is like getting a taste of heaven. The peacefulness of the countryside offered a taste of heaven. In describing feelings, spending time with my family during the holidays is a taste of heaven. Completing the marathon was tough, but crossing the finish line felt like a taste of heaven. Sometimes, you might hear variations of this phrase. For example, a slice of heaven, heaven on earth. These variations carry a similar meaning but might be used in slightly different contexts. It's important to note that a taste of heaven is often used in positive and uplifting contexts. It's a phrase that conveys joy, satisfaction, and appreciation. In different cultures, the concept of heaven might have various connotations, so the phrase can resonate differently based on cultural background. A taste of heaven is a beautiful expression that adds color and emotion to the English language. It's a phrase that goes beyond the literal meanings of its words to convey feelings of immense joy and satisfaction. We hope you enjoyed learning about this phrase and can incorporate it into your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the feelings and experiences they convey. Happy learning, and may you find your taste of heaven in your language journey.